Namaste and welcome to my channel. Let's rise and shine with this 5-minute morning stretch. Come on all fours with your knees under your hips, wrists under your shoulders. Spread out your fingers and press down through your knuckles. Inhale through your nose, drop your belly, look forward for cow pose. Exhale through your nose, round your spine, chin to your chest, cat pose. Once more, inhale to open your chest. Exhale, lift the back of your heart towards the sky, press the earth away. Inhale, come back to neutral spine, keep breathing. For a gentle neck stretch, gently bring your right ear towards your right shoulder. Then drop your head down, roll your left ear towards your left shoulder. Keep going. Just a few gentle neck rolls. Go at your own pace and keep your breath flowing. Nice, and then slowly come back to center. Lift your head up where your neck is in line with your spine. Then place your hands one step forward past your shoulders. Breathe in. As you exhale, gently let your hips fall towards your left side. Look over your right shoulder. Keep breathing and notice where you feel the stretch. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, drop your hips towards your right. Look over your left shoulder. And again, notice where you feel sensation and the stretch. Then inhale, come back to center. Walk your hands towards the front of your yoga mat. Come on down to your tummy. Lengthen your legs out behind you. Rest on your forearms. Your forearms are parallel with each other, palms facing down. Sphinx pose. Look forward, no need to crunch your neck here. But energetically bring your elbows towards your hip bones. Really shine your heart forward. We're going to add a gentle twist. Lift your left hand up and place your left forearm in a diagonal line. Your left hand is by the right side of your yoga mat. Press your right hand underneath your right shoulder and lift the right side of your chest up for a gentle back bend and a twist. Slowly release as you exhale. Come back to Sphinx pose. Resting on your forearms, look forward and breathe. And then switch sides. Keep your right elbow where it is by underneath your right shoulder. And place your right forearm in a diagonal line. Press your left hand into the ground underneath your left shoulder and lift the left side of your chest up and breathe. And slowly release back to your Sphinx pose. Option 1 is to stay here. Keep breathing. A second option is to place your hands by your lower ribs, press down through the tops of your feet and your palms, and then lift everything up. Lift your upper body up, look forward. Activate your legs. Your knees and thighs are off the ground. Keep breathing. And then slowly we'll all meet in child's pose. Bend your knees. Bring your big toes together. Keep your knees together or separated. Sit back on your heels and drape your upper body forward, resting your forehead on the ground. Lengthen your arms out in front of you. Then slowly lift the base of your palms up so you're resting on your fingertips in child's pose. Stretching out your spine, your armpits, your chest. Breathe. Let your hips be heavy. Take one more breath. And then lower the base of your palms down. Stay in child's pose for 2 more breaths. allowing your body to completely relax. Relax your jaw. And then slowly as you inhale, press your hands into the ground and walk yourself up. Take a seated cross-legged position, and let's finish our practice together. Sit up tall, rest your palms on your knees or thighs, and notice how you feel. Then bring your arms out to the sides with your palms facing up to seal our practice. Inhale, circle your arms up and gather all the love, sunlight, positive energy. Exhale, unite your palms. Bring that beautiful energy into your whole being and draw your hands down in prayer position in front of your heart. Give yourself a big thank you that you took this time to stretch and breathe and move mindfully. And set the stage for the rest of your day. And thank you so much for practicing with me. I wish you a beautiful day, from my heart to yours. Good job, Yogi. Thank you so much for watching and for making it this far and showing up for your yoga practice. I'm so proud of you. I would love to give you my free Blissful Morning Guide. All you need to do is sign up with that first link below this video, enter your first name and email, and I'll send it to you right away. Also, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, like this video, share it with your family and friends, and let me know in the comments how it went for you. I look forward to seeing you soon again on the mat.